All right, let's take a look at this beautiful, elegant leather mouse pad. If you guys can see it, look how long it is. It takes on the whole desk almost. It's perfect. I don't need another extra mouse pad or anything. It's adjustable, easy to move with your mouse, your keyboard, your computer. Now, this leather, look at the stitching of it. It's beautiful, beautiful stitching. It smells beautiful here too also. So it's just really fine leather. Look at the creases on it. Now, one thing that I recommend you guys, maybe folding it out for a day or so, because it comes in kind of like in the container that's wrapped around, and you got to do it the opposite way. For maybe put some rubber bands on one end so it could crease up pretty good on the other end, and it could flatten out. If you don't, it's going to start picking up a little bit like this. Just make sure you do that. But look at the fine leather, that detailed leather. It's real leather, right? Genuine leather. You guys can see that. It looks great on my desk, and I'm gonna be editing here on my desk lamp here, right here next to me. So really beautiful, elegant leather mouse pad. Now this is perfect. You could actually set it up anywhere you want. Your mouse pad is super large, so you're not going to worry about the actual mouse going anywhere else. You can set up your keyboard how you want, and it'll all fit it within itself. And you could align this with your actual keyboard, plug it in. You can align your keyboard how you want, do maintenance on it. Beautiful, elegant leather. You guys can see it's large enough to cover a whole desk. I'm actually going to set up the inches, how many inches you currently have to use. So this is a large mat, and it takes a lot of space, but you don't have to worry about a mouse pad. This is going to be on one simple, beautiful, elegant mat for those that have a new desk or are planning to buy a desk or replacing your old mat. This is perfect. Like I said, genuine leather, easy to set up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.